Hi friends! There's never been a better time to use stamps in your planner and on paper projects to create your own sunshine. I'll be showing you a few ways of adding color and fun to your pages. Working in my Erin Condren planner with a customized cover that says Craft a Life You Love, the pages I chose are black and white, which makes stamping even more fun. I'm going to be using the clear photopolymer stamps from my collaboration with Erin Condren, and all the supplies will be linked below. I also want you to be the first to know about a big thing happening in Austin, Texas on April 20th. I am so excited to be teaching my first workshop in Texas, and I really hope to meet some of you there. We will have the best time at the Erin Condren flagship store on Saturday, April 20th. The link for signups is below. Stamps are so versatile and come in all kinds of phrases and icons. You'll need an acrylic block and inks as well. To get started, you simply peel off the stamp from the plastic, and you'll want to mount it onto an acrylic block. It's like a magnet and it sticks sort of magically. And it's also removable, and you can reuse this block over and over as well as the stamps. Taking some ink out, I'm going to dab the color onto the stamp. What's great about working with clear stamps is you can see exactly where your placement is. So I'm going to put the sunshine down here somewhere, press down firmly and evenly, and then lift up. You'll also want to make sure that you have a wipe handy to clean off your stamps, and then you can put them back onto the plastic. I'm speeding up this video so that you can see how this page comes together. The Create Your Own Sunshine is the lead page for June, and I know I'm jumping ahead a little bit, but I love the fact that you can explore different colors and really create your own layout no matter what you're working in. And of course, I wanted to show you also how you can use this grid to do a month at a glance, but because June actually has 6 weeks technically, because it has the 31st on the additional day, you'll just need to draw that in. These are the months of the year in my writing, and what's great about this is that you can blend the colors too. So I use the light green and a little bit of the darker green, and because it's clear, you can see where your ink is going, so you have a good idea of how it's going to look once you stamp it down. Cleaning off my stamps in between is something that I've had to get into the habit of doing, but it's a really good one because it makes your stamps last longer. And don't worry if there's a little bit of staining on your clear stamps. As you can see here, it looks a little bit pink, but truly good stamps, clear stamps, do that. These are made in the USA, high quality photopolymer, and if you're new to stamping, just play around with it. Give yourself grace, have fun, and enjoy the process. Part of developing your own style when it comes to stamping is just feeling really playful with it. I'm filling in the days of the month here, just the numbers, and I'm going to add a little square with a different color at the bottom. You can see that I don't have the stamp placed correctly on this acrylic block here, so I did need to move it after I had inked it. And that's okay. You can do that too. You want to make sure that you're not where the coils are. So the block can't be where the coils are because that will interfere with your stamping impression. And same with what's underneath the paper that you're stamping on. You always want to make sure you have a flat surface so that you get an even impression. And the beauty of clear stamps is that you don't have to expect it to look the same every time. I think that this layout is finished now, and I'm going to work in this notebook. I have this Be Kind, Dream Big, Work It, Do What You Love, and Smile stamp in the front, and I'm going to make a page to celebrate my goals for spring by simply adding a bunch of clusters here and putting together this beautiful spread where I share my self-care guide to a stress-free season. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, I love hearing from you, so leave any comments or questions below. If you're new to stamping, there is a Clear Stamp Starter Bundle, which is great in getting you going with all the basics you will need. It even includes this Heart Song Petite Journal. The blank pages are there to invite you to create whatever makes your heart sing. If you're one to feel intimidated by the blank page, I recommend letting go of that limiting belief and the expectations that you have created in your mind. In fact, feel freedom to get playful and give yourself grace when it comes to the art of creating. Enjoying the process is part of the plan, and there's been plenty of times when my stamping or writing didn't turn out the way I expected. I found that I was too hard on myself and then realized that all I had to do was embrace the mess and move right into the mindset of problem solving. Reframing how you feel about a simple little mistake when you're supposed to be having fun and decorating sets a foundation for other areas in your life. Plus, I'll let you in on a little secret. Chances are that no one will even notice, or if they do, you are far harder on yourself than anyone else will be. And if all else fails, cover it up with a sticker. Blending colors with clear stamps is something that's really addictive and super fun to see the results. So once I pick this up, look at that. Yay! So we're going to add some writing here and fill up the page with, just writing and a quote or two for the self-care guide to a stress-free season. Here's what I wrote. Give yourself grace. Practice patience. You're on the right path. Relax, rest, recharge, radiate. Pause for beautiful people and places. Get more massages with friends. Believe in abundant kindness and love. Shine, share, spirit, savor. Hope you enjoyed seeing how this came together with the Erin Condren products. As always, I love to hear from you, so let me know in the comments below what you feel inspired to bring in this spring. Thanks as always for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to keep those creative juices flowing. Thanks for being awesome Tangerines.